This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Dixie Edwards. Looking for a great 25-acre rolling tract of land for your dream home? Already the site of several beautiful homes on ACREAGE, part of a 60-acre tract. Additional land available. Adjacent to LAKEWOOD Subdivision. Located near TEXOMA Medical Center, HILTON Hotel, numerous medical facilities, TEXOMA Regional Airport, and just a short distance to the town center in Sherman and Sherman's BLAYLOCK Industrial Center. Two nice building spots with nice views of the countryside, electrical power and water accessible Sherman schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Dixie Edwards at 903-821-3639.